Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another cool DIY video. This is a monthly challenge that is hosted by children.All, and children.All has two channels, children.All DIY and children.All Home. I am pretty sure you already know who this lady is. If you don't, all the information about her will be linked in the description below. She's just an amazing crafter, and I love both of her channels because on the DIY side she's showing step by step very thorough instructions how she's making it, and on the home side she's showing how she's decorating her lovely home, how she upcycling some things, how she's redoing some things. So it's really nifty. So I love both of her channels, but she is hosting this DIY challenges every month, and I love to participate, and I'm trying to participate every month when I can. So the theme for this month was back to school fall DIY challenge, and I have created something really nifty, and I would like to share it with you how I made it and what I made it. And if you are interested, please continue watching. Okay, so for this project we'll need, this is a 12-inch wreath frame from Dollar Tree, and I got a bunch of crayons that we collected over the years because I got two school age. I'm sure you do too, if you are watching this video. If not, there's a bunch right now at the Dollar Tree that you can get, but I'm gonna try use what I have, and mine is like Play Cool. I guess it's a generic for crayons. Anyway, so this, then I cut off the cardboard circle and I painted it black. So it's still drying. So what I'll do, I'll glue it to the back of the frame, and then I will do some stencils here. I will show you which one, and there would be two choices on the stencils. You either can use your Cricut machine, or you can just print out and all right with the chalk, so that would work too. But for now I am gonna use the burlap ribbon. This is from Dollar Tree, and what I want to do, I want to wrap this around the wreath frame. This way it will be easier, I hope. So I'm gonna wrap it around this two inner circles like this, because it will be easier to glue the crayons with the hot glue. So this is what we're gonna do, and then I got some measuring tapes for decoration, some pencils. You can decorate with what you want, and I got a ribbon that is finally getting handy. So, and I got some rubber bands. Well, it's not rubber, it's like a hair pieces that is I had a whole bag of them, and I didn't use it for anything, so this is what we're gonna use to decorate. So I used my Cricut to make a sign. It says, welcome to your senior year, class 2021. But the other way around this, you can just print this on the regular printer and then use a transfer paper. I still using this a lot because it's a lot faster than they use in the Cricut. And just trace the letter on your wreath or whatever and then paint it over. But I just got my Cricut, so I'm kind of trying to learn how to use it, and hopefully it will all work out. But this is what I print out because I thought it was cute, and I'm gonna just place it right here in the middle and hope it would work. So, but the other way around, I told you how, so you can just do it that way, and you don't necessarily have to have a Cricut machine, but I do have one, so occasionally I would like to use it. Okay, now let's see if this works. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you, Heidi, for hosting this monthly challenge. As always, I had fun, and I hope you enjoy what I created. If you're one of my new people and you're seeing me for the first time, please leave me a comment in the description, in the comments below, not in the description, in the comments below, so I can welcome you to my little family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much. Also, if you would like to see more DIYs in this fall back to school theme that is hosted by Heidi Sambol, there is a playlist linked in my description below. Just go there, click on the playlist link, and continue watching. But this is it for me for today, and I will see you in the next one real soon. Bye.